Many might agree, actually 67% of Americans to be specific, that composting in theory sounds like a good idea and is something we might like to try, but the thought of that long, smelly, cumbersome process usually keeps it on the maybe one day shelf. Well, our new Tulu 2 might make one day, 2 day. Lomi, L-O-M-I, is the new kitchen countertop composter from Pella. Lomi's goal is to make dividing and composting waste more compact, mess and odor-free, and a speedier process than before. In as little as 3 hours, Lomi can transform up to 80% of your organic waste, from fruit and veggie waste to eggshells to plant trimmings, into practically odor-free dirt. In 16 to 20 hours, it produces rich fertilizer that can be used for potting plants or nourishing a garden. We put reporter Carmen Manfredini on the case. Carmen
Manfredini here, reporting from Michigan to talk a little trash on my dad's show. But not actual trash, people. We are talking compost. As someone who was always looking for ways to minimize my carbon footprint, composting has always been of interest, but it's time-consuming, messy, and, well, stinky. So we were happy to test the Lomi out when it arrived on our doorstep. About the size of a large toaster, we found a spot for it on our kitchen counter, making it easily accessible to dump food scraps in. Our 2-person household has been running it once a week, and in the meantime, the scraps in waiting are tightly contained so no smell when closed. When ready to run, the process is simple. One push of a button and the Lomi breaks down those food scraps in as little as 3 hours. It was super quiet, and while the company warns there may be minimal smell, we were not bothered by any. If you're ready to commit to compost to prove there is life after death for your orange rinds, we are rooting for you to try the Lomi for yourself. It's heaps of fun. Carmen Manfredini, official trash talker, signing off.
So there you have it, folks. Make compost, not war. You also have to be committed to the price tag, which is $4.99. On sale now, though, for $3.49. And keep in mind, the reason there is no smell is due to the 2 refillable cartridges that use activated charcoal to break down those nasty odors. And those cartridges need to be replaced every 90 days to the tune of about $55 every 3 months. But if you really want to compost, it's worth every penny to keep it simple and keep the stink out. For more information, check out Lou's HouseSmarts YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button while you're there.